in audio. In audio. In audio.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the finale of the Corvette series that we've been doing. We thank you so much for following along with all the videos we've been doing. It's been an 8-month-long project and we learned a lot, made a lot of good friends, got a lot of great subscribers, and we've had a lot of fun throughout all this process of learning how to rebuild a Corvette. So this is the finale. We're gonna let Tyler do the burnout that we promised him on episode 1. So next we're going to do a quick photo shoot so we can get the car listed to sell, and then we're going to go do the burnout. So stick with us, finished watching all of this. Hope it's a great last video to the series. So get your camera and let's get the photo shoot underway.
All right.
In audio. In audio.
All right, I think that's enough photos for the car. I'm gonna shut the door, load the gear up, because I'm ready to do my burnout. In audio.
Alright, we found this old logging road way up in old pine country woods. So we're gonna let Tyler do the burnout in here. It's not the best kind of road. It's got a lot of potholes from logging trucks. And it's part of it's gravel, but some of it's asphalt. This is probably about the best spot we're gonna find. So let's stop right here and we'll switch spots and I'll let you get your burnout. Not too bad on your first one. Just give it more gas, hit it harder, don't be scared. All right, one more try. I want you to give this one all you got. Don't hold back. I want you to hit it hard. You ready? Go. Wasn't bad. All right, you could drive. This is way up in the woods.
So how was it?
Wasn't too bad. You're only 13, so you got plenty of time to learn.
Alright guys, thank you so much for staying with us to the end of this build. We really appreciate it and hope to have many more vehicles to come our way.
Yeah, you can comment below, what do you want to see us build next? Do you want to see a boat? Do you want to see another sports car? What kind of car? Or some kind of equipment? So just comment below, what do you want to see? And also comment below if you've been with us from the first episode of this build. We love you all. We had some great comments from all of you and it keeps us motivated and we really love that. So
thank you so much
and
we will see you in the next video.
Yeah, we're gonna finish up the Denali next and start trying to buy the next build. Thank you so much
and we'll see you next time.